Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to select multiple rows here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Selecting multiple rows in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that will allow you to update information in multiple rows simultaneously, such as assigning the same status, due date, or owner to several tasks at once. Now, you want to make sure once you are logged into your Smartsheet accounts, go to the file that you're going to work with. In my case, this one. I'm going to click on it. Now, there are two ways for you to do that. Number one is using the shift key plus your mouse. Click on the number of your first row you want to select. For example, I'm going to be choosing maybe row 10. And if you wanted to select until row 14, just press shift and click that. You see? Row 10 will be selected until row 14. Or if you wanted, press 10 to and then press 11. All right, and then 12, 13, 14. So this is going to be for selecting consecutive rows. All right, and again, after selecting the first row, like for example, first row 1, and then click on the number of the last row in the ridge. For example, that's going to be a row 9. All right, and all of the rows in between will be selected. Now, if you want to select non-consecutive rows, for example, I wanted to select just row 10 and maybe row 1 and row 13. Click the number of first row. For example, that's going to be 1. I want you to press and hold down the control key for Windows or command key for Mac OS. Okay, so I'm going to click again on row number 10 and row number 13, and continue clicking the row numbers of the additional rows you want to select. Only the clicked rows will be highlighted as you can see it from here. Right now, this method is very useful for managing data efficiently, especially when working with large data sets in Smartsheets, because after selecting multiple rows, for example this one, you can take bulk actions like delete the rows, copying that, updating, cut, move to another sheet, or you can do a lot of things across all selected rows. All right, and of course it enables you to transfer data to another sheet or external applications without any problem. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.